Thursday, October 24th, and we are looking at our XHB trade, the S&P or the Spider S&P Home Builders. And if you recall yesterday, this was our first profit target at $30.90. And as you can see, the market has opened up a little higher today, and we've run up. And we are currently trading at $30.92. We've run up through that to 94. So I've taken some profits off the table. And what I actually, 3/4 of my trade, I'm actually off the table. Okay, the remaining portion of my position, I'm going to move from where I was sitting yesterday, locking in a little profits at. Remember, I was sitting 1 penny, simply 1 penny below 30.25 to 30.24. I'm going to move this stop up to below today's intraday low. Today's intraday low is $30.64. I'm actually going to go to 30.54. 30.54 is where my trailing stop on the remaining portion of this position is going to be. All right, so this trade, again, 3/4 of the trade out at $30.90. If we bought this at $29.98, so we made, what, 92 cents on 3/4, and the remaining portion of the position's up here, right in here now at 30.54, locking in 56 cents on the remainder. We'll see if this market can actually bust up through this high of 30.96. So we're looking for the market to try to clear through 30.96. Next level would be up here, right up in here. These are the two levels where the market really needs to break through. So that's what we're looking at here. And let's just show you another little trade that I had found this morning by doing a little search. Quite frankly, I'm not even sure what this company does, but it really doesn't matter. The symbol is Z. Zillow Inc. I don't know, CIA, whatever. CIA, okay. So this trend is obviously up. Nice trade down in here between the bands. Right up, came down. Inside bar never took out that high. Came down. All right, look at this tight little inside pattern. And again, typically before I take a trade, I always look at Zacks, ZACKS.com, Zacks.com. Hit earnings. I put the symbol in and it tells me exactly when the next earnings date is, and this isn't for a while, so I thought, hey, this would be a nice trade. If it's set up this morning, basically what happened was we got a little tight little inside vertical bar, right? Lower high, higher low than the prior days. You see that right in here. I bought this market 10 cents above yesterday's high of $80.69. That'd be $80.79. I'm actually long at $80.73. This is a pretty volatile stock. Take a look down here. Average true range. Look at that. We got $4.35 average range on this. So that's a big true range there. So it's a pretty volatile stock. So I watched it, market penetrated up through the high. It came down through that $80.79 and got filled at $80. So I'm long here at $80.73. My initial stop loss is directly below yesterday's low, okay? That low is 78.67. So my stop is at 78.57. All right, so this is the trade I'm in. Let me just give it to you again. I'm long here at $80.73. All right, $80.73 with an initial catastrophic stop at $78.57, risking $2.17. My first profit target is $83.22, right up in here. Stop here. And again, 80% of that first profit target, which is $2.43, would put us at 82.73, a little lower than that, so I'm going to pay attention. As soon as the market hits 82.73, if we're able to hit that today or tomorrow, I would lock in a little profit there and see if the market could run. So again, it's all about defense. It's all about protecting your downside, right? It's all about protecting your downside. Your profits will take care of themselves if you know how to manage the trade the right way. So there we are. If you've got any questions whatsoever, let me know, and hope that helps. Have a profitable day. Bye for now.